Hello, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about soap making and handmade products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at the Scraftworks for more sneak peeks and ongoing projects. This time let's make some tinted lip balms to have moisturizing and pretty lips. I'll make around 2 tubes this time, trying to experiment with color, but I grabbed around 4 of them to make it easier to bundle them together. Here is the recipe I'm using for this time. I'm using quite a bit of the butters to make sure the lip balm glide on more smoothly, Beeswax for the hardness, olive oil for the moisturizing properties, and castor oil for a glossy finish. And of course some mica for the color. Make sure you use Lip Safe Micas. The total amount of oils, waxes, and butters should depend on the size of your containers. Please refer back to the video where I've made lip balm for a more thorough explanation of how to formulate your own lip balm. You can go to the video by clicking on the I button on the top right hand corner. Making lip balm is so easy, playing with the formula, and then you melt the oils, butters, and waxes together. To test your formula, remember to freeze a spoon beforehand and dip it in the oils to test the texture, and to make any adjustments if needed. Because this is a tinted lip balm, we cannot forget the color. Now I'm adding some red mica into the mixture. You can do the same with the spoon to test the color intensity and add more color if you want. I added some dazzling bright red mica to add a tad of shimmer, and some orange red mica to add some warmth to the color. Again, after mixing well, test the color using the spoon. This is the color that I wanted, then it's time to pour into the tubes. Finish the tops with a heat gun and cap it after it sets. It's so easy. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.